Today, we're taking a closer look at the Innolux BT140GW01 V.4 and V.5 replacement laptop LCD screen. This 14.0-inch display boasts a WXGA HD resolution with LED backlighting, offering a clear and vibrant visual experience. The choice between glossy or matte finish adds a touch of customization, depending on your preference and availability. The use of LED technology and diode lamps enhances the overall brightness and energy efficiency of the screen. With a weight of just 8 ounces, it's a lightweight solution that won't compromise portability. Whether you're upgrading a damaged screen or seeking a compatible replacement, this Innolux model fits the bill. The XGA wide and HD resolutions ensure sharp and detailed visuals for your laptop. Keep in mind that the finish option may vary based on what's available in the market. In conclusion, the Innolux BT140GW01 V.4 and V.5 replacement laptop LCD screen delivers on its promise of a 14.0-inch WXGA HD display with LED backlighting. The choice between glossy and matte finish adds versatility, making it a suitable option for various laptop models. If you're in need of a reliable and visually impressive replacement, this Innolux screen is worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.